Standard cane here for you, Aaron. Yeah, this is like a cheaper one for
yeah?
skating because I break them so much. Watch your fingers if that will pinch you.
Really?
It'll make you bleed if it gets you. Yeah.
You're trying to take me out early.
So this is like this is a little bit shorter.
So should I put my wrist through this thing?
No, you want it to just fly when you.
Just fly? Are you sure? Gabe does have his safety goggles on.
Nah, you're gonna need them because there's gonna be canes
Flying around.
in the air. Yeah.
Usually when I rock a cane, it's not this beat up, but I guess you're like getting Heshnar in the streets.
Signature pro model, right?
That's
there.
right.
Yeah.
You are literally the best blind skateboarder in the entire world.
Well, I think. I don't know. There's not many of us out there, but
There's not many out there.
there's some rippers though.
Is there?
Oh yeah.
I've seen them all, and you're the best. Gabe?
Yes.
You agree?
Seriously. Explain to me a little bit how you learned and how you got started skateboarding in general.
Yeah, so I mean, really, I used to skate before I went blind, so a lot of that comes from just that muscle memory and stuff.
Yeah.
Once I lost my sight, though, pretty much stopped doing everything.
Really?
Just didn't know what a blind person was, just kind of searching for that and, who am I still, But eventually, just getting back on the board and realizing, I'm still the same person, I'm still a skater, so gotta keep skating, yeah.
Yeah. And now you're killing it. So before you went blind, did you already have, a bag of tricks that you already, you already knew how to kick flip?
Yeah, I definitely knew how to, all your basic flip tricks and
Yeah.
stairs and rails and all that stuff too.
Yeah, that is it blows my mind because I've seen you do tricks on ledges
Yeah.
and seen a video where you walk up to a ledge and you kind of feel out where it is and then you step back and then you go and then you try it.
Right.
And we did a blindfold video. Manuals are kind of my thing, right?
Yeah.
And I could not do a manual.
Oh man.
I couldn't even ollie up the box. It was so terrifying.
Plus, it was the one over there, the manual pad over there.
Yeah.
They're kind of narrow too.
Yeah.
You want a nice wide mani pad.
Yeah, but I've seen you crooked grinding ledges that are not so wide.
The manis are tricky because you have to be dead center.
That's true. That's
true. So a ledge is kind of like that. Well, once you lock in though, then you know you're in.
Right.
But a manual, you don't know where you're going. You got to be going exactly straight.
So they just handed me this sort of a sleep mask. It's got leopard print. Maybe I'll flip it around and do the black on the outside.
No,
you
I
want
like the leopard. I like the leopard.
You wanted me to rock the leopard?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna Rochambeau, and then whoever wins that Rochambeau goes first. Wow.
Someone's gonna have to tell us here.
Earlier I was saying I'll do a 360 double flip revert, but it'll actually be just a 180. But he will have no idea.
He'll have no idea.
And then Gabe was he said the exact same thing about you.
Yeah.
He said, I'll do a backside 180, but I'll tell him there's a backside flip. Okay. Let's keep it clean and fair, which basically means cheat all you want.
Yeah.
I got my blindfold on. I just put this on, I'm instantly scared. I feel like I might be at home.
We should definitely find a
safe area.
safe area. Yeah.
So on 3, on when I say 3,
Rochambeau.
that's when we drop the rock, paper, or the scissors. 1, 2, 3.
Tie.
1, 2, 3.
Tie.
Are you messing with me right now?
No, I swear.
1, 2, 3.
Tie.
You're messing with us, I think.
I know, it was both scissors.
I believe him. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Dan, you won.
Scissors?
Scissors beats paper.
All right. Now we should find our area where we're actually going to do this at.
Okay.
Don't take the blindfold off, Aaron.
What?
You gotta keep it on for the rest
What?
of the time.
I'm so scared my stomach.
That is the hardest part.
That's the point of the video.
Orientating yourself.
is in between tricks. Well, I'm really actually glad that you gave me this stick. You know why?
You can beat me with it.
Oh!
That's why.
Aaron, if I see you peeking again.
I did not peek. Dan, they're lying. The stick does help a lot, though.
Getting close.
Oh, that's the thing I really wanted to ask you about was the echo. I did not hear any echo, but I think okay, there I go. Wall behind me, Gabe is right there.
Yep.
That's you, right?
Stop.
So you're going first. You won the Rochambeau.
Do you want any more tips or tricks? Or are you good?
I don't know.
You should always start your same spot, right? So you have your wall, your ramps to your left of you.
Okay.
So then you kind of maybe go in the corner, right? Of
Yeah.
this wall and the ramp. So now you know okay, here's your starting point every time, right?
Oh, wow. I had no idea I was close to that ramp. We're really close to that ramp. All right, got my starting point.
Pretty much kind of push off from here. Then if you want to, follow with your cane along the ramp as you kind of push off.
Yeah.
To make sure you're going straight.
Okay.
So when you push,
That's
you
it's
kinda
very
follow,
technical.
okay, going straight. Then when you're ready, set up, then you can pop.
All right,
We're
you
gonna
got
start
this.
this off.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this simple. Nollie shove.
Just a swooper. Okay. Nollie shove. This is what the grip tape cutout is good for. Now I know which one side's my tail. Okay, so nollie shove the easy way?
The hard way.
No, Gabe, really?
front of you.
No way.
First try!
Other way?
Yeah.
That's the hard way. Are you kidding me?
That's what I told you was the hard way.
I can't do that with full vision. Don't tell me what to do, Gabe. Oh, what? I wasn't kidding when I said I couldn't do that with full vision. That's real.
Anything kickflip is your game, so we're going for a standard kickflip. Missed it.
I got you. I'm gonna go for a straight ollie.
Good. Yeah.
Get out of here. I know there's not a wall. You're kicking my cane.
Yeah.
No letters. This guy's an animal. Never let the enemy know your weakness. Backside 180s, he said. You might get me on this. So now I'm going to do everything backside 180. So that means I will next attempt a kickflip. Oh!
How'd it feel?
Like one of the better lands I've ever had.
Yo! First try.
This guy's an animal! Now my confidence is really starting to sink down low. Gabe, what do I do? Whoa. I never thought of that. Street skating and you get your cane stuck in a crack.
Too easy.
No letters, eh?
Yep. Ooh.
Yes.
First letter.
I think I'll try a varial flip.
No way. It was actually really good.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, almost.
SK.
Muscle memory. We made a whole video about that once.
Come on, do a tray flip. I dare you.
I'm not scared. You see that? Tray bomb it is. Oh god. It's also hard to figure out your foot position on the board. Oh! Is there a wall right there? Wall?
That is my knee.
That's your knee, okay.
I don't trust you with that stick, man. I feel like you're gonna hurt me.
I'm only gonna try this once, Dan. And by once, I mean every turn until I land it. I'm going tray revert. You got a non-profit organization. Okay, if I land it first try, Gabe, you gotta donate $100. Oh! Dang it. I really wanted that. I caught the nose, right? I almost had it.
I'm doing heel flip. I'm doing
Yes,
heel flip.
Yes.
That sounded like a land. I'm
Yep.
a little nervous. I've never feared for my life more than this
I
moment
think
right
that
now.
if you can't look at your board and just don't think about it, I think it would be easier for you.
Cereal?
Yeah.
Push me so nervous. Did I make it? No. Did I land? Yeah. Oh.
Oh no! You're so close.
Okay, I'm gonna go full cab.
Yeah.
Did you land it?
Yeah, you did.
Oh. I just tried to pick up my board and it nailed me in the knee.
Good.
Man. Hard.
I want to see a double flip.
That's what I was thinking. I keep thinking double flip and then I think no. Double flip, no. Triple flip? No. You know how scary that is, Gabe?
Yep.
If I land this right here, Gabe will donate $200. Did it flip twice?
Yeah, it did.
All in. Did I only flick once?
Yeah, it was only single.
No, I landed. I just tried to flick as hard as I could.
Ow!
What are you thinking?
Ow!
I'm fully blind, Gabe. It's kind of acting like I did it on
Oh, your
purpose.
board just went right into my knee.
Turn front side once.
Yeah.
Is it okay to push Mongo or is that a letter?
He landed on the ramp.
The hard way?
Yeah, in front of you.
Like, oh my gosh. Gabe, you know I can't do this. Full vision. Nollie 3 shove, the way you just did it, literally impossible. I landed.
Turn to your right. No,
on my board.
just keep going straight. It's pretty far away.
Serious?
Yeah.
Are you lying to me?
Nope. Now stop. Turn left. Yeah. First try.
No comply 180?
Whoa, that's an A.
I could have swore I was on there. I should have left my cane on the ground.
All right, fake a heel.
Oh! I hope that sound means you didn't land it. Okay, okay. Did it flip?
It did flip.
Are you serious? So I was actually like super close.
T to T.
The 3 stair.
Oh!
I don't want him to get hurt.
Yeah, please.
We're gonna do the switch heel.
Switch heel. Oh no. Was that the land? Did he land it?
Yes, he did.
Are you kidding me?
Half a flip more, you got it.
Frick.
Oh, dang.
Oh, dang it. I'll try the tray flip reaver just for consolation prize. I really wanted that switch heel. I was really close.
Of course you land it now.
I gotta land this better. I'll never live it down. Man, dang it. Oh! Oh! Is that fully loaded?
That was it.
Yes! All right, well, thank you so much. That was really incredible.
Yeah.
You freaking killed it.
Awesome.
You
did
crushed
too.
it.
You did good. You
Fake
did really
heel,
good.
regular heel, switch heel, nollie 360
My
shove.
gosh.
They
It's
told
like-
me all your weaknesses, so I went for the jugular.
That was good though. That was well played. So you're from Michigan, yeah?
I'm from Michigan, yeah.
And you got like a special project you're working on right now.
Just filed for the nonprofit called Keep Pushing Incorporated.
Keep Pushing Incorporated.
Yes.
And what do you guys do?
So what we're trying to do is design a skate park that's entirely built for blind people. So it's a little bit more accessible, right? So
Yeah.
things are a little bit safer and just get more blind people on boards and skating. Kind of really similar to what you guys do, right?
That's
More
really,
people on boards.
really incredible. Yeah, we got this shirt for you. It's one of the brand new Braille skateboarding t-shirts.
Sick.
So you can rock that guy.
Awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you.
And then, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and from the First Try Foundation and from Braille Skateboarding, we're gonna be the first donator. We're gonna give you $1,000.
Dude, amazing. We're going to get this park built.
And we're
It's gonna be
definitely gonna
incredible.
get this park built, that's for sure.
Awesome. That's amazing. Thank you, Aaron.
Yeah, you're
Dude,
welcome.
thank you, guys.
You're doing really good work, so keep it up.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, keep rolling. Roll forever.
That's right. All right, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was a blast. So definitely check out and follow Dan Mancina on Instagram and on Facebook. All those links will be down there in the description below. You guys are the absolute best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for
Thank you,
coming
guys.
out.
Thank you so much, dude. Sick.
Keep killing it.
Yeah.